Did you know that as of summer 2025, the TSA has banned a bunch of items you might never expect? If you're flying in 2025, listen up. A few innocent-looking things in your bag could get you stopped at security or even kicked off your flight. From common gadgets to weird wannabe weapons, today we're counting down 11 surprising items newly forbidden on U.S. flights. Some of these bans are so fresh that even frequent flyers are getting caught off guard. Stick around because number 1 is an everyday item that could literally ignite trouble mid-air. Let's jump in. Number 11, camping propane and small gas canisters. Ready to grill on the go? Not so fast. Those portable propane camping canisters and other small gas cylinders are a no-go at 30,000 feet. TSA explicitly bans propane tanks of any size from both carry-on and checked luggage for safety reasons. Why? Imagine a pressurized canister leaking or exploding in an airplane. It's a recipe for an impromptu fireworks show. In fact, agents have caught travelers trying to pack camping propane in their suitcases only to promptly confiscate it. Even pocket-sized CO2 cartridges for paintball or soda machines are forbidden under these rules. The implication is clear: if your adventure needs fuel, buy it when you land. A mid-air BBQ sounds cool, but flame-grilled jetliner is not on the menu, so leave the gas at home or that ski trip to Idaho might start with TSA roasting you instead of marshmallows. Number 10. Stun guns and martial arts weapons. Think you're flying safer by packing a stun gun or ninja nunchucks? Think again. Stun guns, tasers, brass knuckles, throwing stars, and martial arts weapons might make you feel like an action hero, but to TSA, they're just banned contraband. TSA has seen it all: lipstick stun guns, knives hidden in credit cards, and none of it flies. One traveler's harmless cat-shaped keychain can be seen as brass knuckles in disguise and land you in hot water. The surprise for travelers, that personal safety gadget meant to protect you could actually cause you to miss your flight. Unless you enjoy parting ways with your pricey stun device at the checkpoint, better safe and compliant than sorry. Number 9. Liquid bleach and cleaning chemicals. Are you a germaphobe thinking of packing industrial-strength bleach to sanitize your hotel room? TSA says, nope. Common household chemicals, like liquid bleach pool chlorine and strong cleaning solvents, are completely banned on planes. It doesn't matter if it's in carry-on or checked. If it can corrode, burn, or produce toxic fumes, it's staying on the ground. One spilled bottle of bleach could eat through your luggage or even an aircraft's floor. And don't think pool treatments get a pass either. That tub of chlorine granules is just as forbidden. We get it. You want your vacation rental sparkling. But you'll have to buy those chemicals at your destination because your jumbo jug of Clorox or heavy-duty drain cleaner will be confiscated faster than you can say clean up on aisle 5. The only things getting bleached on your flight should be the clouds out the window, not the cabin interior. Number 8. Fireworks and explosives. Think packing a little celebratory fireworks in your suitcase is a good idea? Hard no. Fireworks, firecrackers, cherry bombs, even innocent sparklers and party poppers are strictly forbidden on U.S. flights. It might be obvious that dynamite and grenades are banned, but many travelers don't realize that even small novelty explosives are a big problem at 36,000 feet. These items can ignite or even explode under pressure, which is not the kind of in-flight entertainment anyone ordered. One passenger's plan to throw a mid-vacation fireworks show could end up with an airport evacuation and an FBI chat instead. So always celebrate on the ground. If it goes boom, bang, or spark, it's not coming on the plane. Leave the pyrotechnics to the professionals. Number 7. Over 140 proof liquor. The FAA and TSA forbid any alcoholic beverage over 70% ABV. That's 140 proof. From both carry-ons and checked bags. That means your bottle of 151 proof rum or grain alcohol is grounded. 140 proof is nearly twice the strength of typical vodka. Basically rocket fuel. Why such a buzzkill rule? Many travelers are shocked and sobered to learn their duty-free absinthe or backwoods moonshine can't legally fly with them. So if you plan to spice up the beach party with super-strength spirits from home, think again. Security will confiscate those overproof libations faster than you can say cheers. Keep your booze under the limit or be prepared to toast goodbye to it before boarding. Number 6. Smart luggage with non-removable batteries. Those high-tech smart bags with built-in chargers and GPS trackers might seem like a traveler's dream until you get to the airport. Airlines have effectively banned smart luggage with non-removable lithium batteries, especially after some bags overheated in cargo holds. In other words, if your suitcase's battery can't be popped out, it can't be checked in. and many airlines won't even gate check it. Remember those rideable suitcases that follow you around? Cool invention, but check-in agents will clip its wings if the power pack isn't removed. Imagine your robot suitcase overheating in the hold. That's a no-go scenario at 40,000 feet. The surprising twist: your fancy luggage could be sent packing without you. To avoid a last-minute luggage crisis, remove the battery and carry it on, or stick to dumb luggage. Number 5. Bear spray and big pepper spray. Think twice before packing that canister of bear spray for your hiking trip to Alaska. Bear repellents are completely banned from both carry-on and checked luggage. And while a tiny keychain pepper spray might be allowed in checked baggage, if under 4 ounces and with a safety lock, the big cans are a no-go everywhere. These aerosols are insanely potent. One accidental discharge in a pressurized cabin, and you'd have a plane full of teary-eyed, coughing passengers. Airports in bear country even post signs warning tourists not to bring it. TSA officers see this, often well-meaning hikers packing bear mace for the wild, only to have it seized at security. The takeaway, buy, or rent bear spray at your destination. If it's strong enough to stop a bear, it definitely doesn't belong on an airplane. Number 4. Gasoline and flammable fuels. Believe it or not, people have tried to fly with gasoline in their luggage, and it's exactly as bad of an idea as it sounds. Any flammable fuel, like gasoline, diesel, lighter fluid, camping stove fuel, etc. That includes containers of gas as well as equipment soaked in fuel. Think used chainsaws, lawnmower engines, or generators with residual gas, all banned. The reason is simple. Fuel vapors are extremely flammable. One leak or fume buildup in the cargo hold and you have a flying tinderbox waiting for a spark. TSA and airlines won't even debate this one. It's an automatic no stamp. Some thrifty travelers might think they'll save on rental fuel costs by bringing a canister. But nope, the only place your spare petrol is going is back in your garage. On a plane, gas is a fast track to getting your bags pulled and yourself questioned. Number 3. E-cigarettes and vaping devices. These might be the new smoking, but they're not welcome everywhere on a plane. TSA bans all e-cigs and battery-powered vapes from checked bags, so you must carry them on you. And obviously you can't actually use them during the flight. Why? These devices run on lithium batteries, and there have been cases of them overheating or even catching fire. In the cabin, flight crews can manage a smoking device. In the cargo hold, it could become a hidden firebomb. Plus, it's been federally illegal for years to smoke or vape on board. Those lavatory no-smoking alarms will rat you out instantly. Travelers are often surprised that even the harmless-looking disposable vape or THC pen needs to be in carry-on and completely powered off. Sneaking a puff at 35,000 feet isn't just a bad idea, it's a federal offense. So vape at home, not on the roam. Number 2. Realistic replica weapons. This one catches people off guard. Realistic-looking weapons or explosives, even fake ones, are treated as very real threats. Packing your replica grenade paperweight, dummy C4 block, or an ultra-realistic toy gun is a surefire way to ground a flight. TSA flat-out bans realistic replicas of explosives and incendiaries, and for good reason. If security spots what looks like a bomb or gun in your bag, they will shut down the checkpoint and call the bomb squad in a heartbeat. There have been vacationers who bought inert grenade souvenirs, only to cause full airport evacuations when found in luggage. The implications are severe. You won't just lose the item, you might meet some very serious individuals in uniforms and miss your flight. If it looks like it could blow up or shoot, don't bring it. No joke props are worth a holiday in TSA detention. Number 1. Lithium batteries and power banks. The number 1 newly banned item is one nearly every traveler carries. Lithium batteries, the kind in phones, laptops, and power banks. In 2025, regulators banned all spare lithium-ion and lithium metal batteries, including power banks and charging phone cases, from checked luggage. They're allowed only in carry-on now. The reason is simple and scary. These batteries can overheat and ignite, and a fire in the cargo hold is nightmare fuel for flight crews. Several mid-air battery fires have forced emergency landings in recent years, so this rule is a direct response. Now, these items must stay in the cabin where the crew can react quickly if something goes wrong. The lesson for travelers: double-check your bags. That innocent-looking extra battery or charger could get your suitcase pulled off the plane, or worse, keep all your lithium-powered lifesavers in your carry-on, and you'll fly safer. And there you have 11 things you definitely don't want in your suitcase after May 2025. The rules might feel strict, but they're there to keep flights safe and on schedule. Think of it this way. A little extra caution on the ground beats an emergency at 30,000 feet. So double-check your bags, leave the banned stuff at home, and you'll sail through security with ease.